Hello guys, welcome to Hardcoder. In this video, we are going to see the Leetcode problem number 345, reverse vowels of a string. Let's get into the question. So, the problem statement is, you will be given a string S, reverse only all the vowels in the string and return it. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U and they can appear in both lowercase and uppercase more than once. So, this is the problem statement. So, let's walk through the approach. So we'll define the problem first. So you'll be given an input string yes. We need to reverse every vowels. Reverse every vowels in this string. In yes. So the vowels can be uppercase or lowercase. So that's all about the defining the problem. So how are we going to approach this problem? So this is a straightforward question, and the approach that comes to everyone's mind will be to firstly the proof of approach can be like, say, let's say we have word hello. So firstly we can see that we'll create a string builder and open only the vowel characters. So string will contain only the vowel characters. So we'll have a vowel characters and we'll just have a string another string builder and store the given vowel characters into the uh, string builder. And finally, so let's consider this test case. So we'll form EO, and next we'll return we'll iterate over the each character, and if we find a vowel character, we'll replace the character by the character at the current index. So E will be to I, and we'll increment the pointer. So we'll move on. When we find O, we just replace O by E, and we'll decrement here and we'll increment here. This is the first approach, but it takes space complexity of big O of 1, big of n. So can we do better approach than this? The answer is yes. And how? We are going to use a two pointer approach. So the required thing in this question is just the vowels in front and back. So we'll have a string, we'll just move the uh, each indices, and if we find vowel we'll stop it, and if we find vowel in the back index we'll stop it, and we'll swap it and increment the left pointer and decrement the right pointer and continue the process. So the approaches have two index I and j. Find vowel position for I and also j. So after finding this, we'll replace I and j positions. Then we'll increment I and decrement j, and we'll continue the process. So this is the process. So how can we use this? So initially we'll be using a character array. So actually the space complexity for this approach is same as big O of n, but we don't need to create any extra string builder. So in this case we'll be having 2n. space complexity as of 2n, so it will be reduced to v of n. But in this case, we are just using a single array, a single character array. So let's get into the question. Let's code it up. So firstly, we'll have a character array. And to we currently given string into character array. We'll have two pointers I and j. So while I less than j, while I less than here of the dot length, and current data is not a vowel. So let's have a helper function is vowel. So till it will increment the I pointer, and while j is greater than or equal to 0 and this vowel not this vowel, so we need to go up to vowel character, right? So not vowel of j, we just decrement the j pointer. So we can have this as j, and we'll have it as I greater than or equal to j is greater than or equal to I. So yeah, if I is less than j, we just swap it. So for swap function, we have a helper function of swap, and we'll pass the array. So I and j, and after that we increment the I pointer and decrement the j pointer. Finally, we return the string value of the formed array. So we'll write the helper function is boolean is vowel. We get the character if character is equal to a, or character is equal to a, capital and small. So we check for every vowel character possible. So small e and capital E, I get big I and small I, which is equal to I O, small lowercase o and uppercase o, lowercase u and uppercase u. In these cases, we return true or else we return false. So we have another swap function. First, we'll take a character array and then we'll have I and j. So we have a temporary character we store here of I, and we'll swap here I by here j, and we'll replace here j by temp. So that's all. So let's check it up. So we have made mistake somewhere else. So firstly, we have initialized I to 0, right? And j to, sorry, j should be last character, last index of the array. It's working fine. Let's check for sample test cases. It's working fine, but let's submit it up. So accepted, and the time complexity of approaches u of n time, and space complexity of this approaches u of n. An approach for this problem using pointer approach. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching this. Have a great time.